Hey Rush fam, welcome back to the channel. So you know it's Rush, the Discovery boss. So we're back at the Totals Gilmore Drive. We're doing the series of covering our touring Molynes Road. So we have done 2 videos already. This is video number 3, where we're covering all the roads that branch off Molynes Road. So this is gonna be the first road on the right heading to Headley, and our starting point is the intersection of Molynes and Washington Boulevard. So this is Headley Avenue. So we started out the same place we did video 1 and 2, which is the gas station. So we're gonna try and make a U-turn right here. So that we can enter Headley Avenue. So that is the plan. Based on where we started out. Alright, so this is the first right turn going in Headley direction, Headley Avenue. So it's a more inner city community. It's not as middle class as the first 2 roads we cover. So there is an Anglican church on the right, and this is more inner city type community. We have Spalding Boulevard on the left. I think this community is referred to as Jews land as well. Valentine Crescent on the right. So this will also lead back onto Boulevard, which you guys will see as well. So it's not as posh as some of the other communities that branch off Molynes Road. You know, some persons will refer to it as the ghetto. Alright guys, so remember, like, comment, share. So on the right is another branch, which is Valentine Crescent. I think they connect. So remember to comment, share, like, and subscribe as well. Subscribing is completely free, so you don't have to worry if there's a charge. We have Worrell Crescent on the right. So support the movement, support the channel. And we have the Washington Gardens, Seventh-day Adventist Church. Kind of weird that church is here because they have a Washington Gardens community closer to Riverton. So like, comment, and share, guys. And again, not everyone will like the driving video, but persons have been commenting on the driving video, so you know, saying that they were able to see where they grew up, or they haven't visited a certain place in X amount of years. So you know, you have persons that really appreciate the video and the content. You know, each person is gonna like something different. And if you resided in this community, if you grew up in this community, if you know someone that comes from this community, definitely comment. Alright, so this leads back onto Boulevard, Washington Boulevard. On the left is Worrell Crescent. We're gonna exit right here. So at certain parts the road is super bad. Alright, so Headley Avenue, branches off Molynes Road, more inner city type community. And then we're back at Washington Boulevard. So let's wait until our green lights, and we're gonna take the right and enter back or re-enter Molynes Road. Again, guys, leave your comments. Let me know what you think in the comments. Let me know about this community. Let me know if you ever been here, lived here, know someone that lives here or used to live here. Alright, so we're on Washington Boulevard. Take the right at the filter back onto Molynes. So that's a restaurant over there and another gas station, Texaco. Alright guys, so when we take the right turn, we'll be entering Molynes Road, and then I'll basically end the video there. But again, remember the aim, remember what we're doing is we've divided Molynes Road in two halves. So one half to the left going to Red Hills Road from where we're at now, and one half to the right from here going back to Transport Center and halfway through Eastwood Park Road. And what we want to do is to try and drive. Molynes Road is one of the longest road in Kingston, so we want to take a drive on every road where applicable that branches off Molynes Road. Some of them may be too narrow, some of them may be a bit probably unsafe in my eyes based on the setup, probably too again too narrow. There's nowhere to turn or stuff like that. So those are some of the reasons why I wouldn't go on a particular road. But if not, I'll be checking out each and every road that branch off Molynes Road. So stay tuned. This is video number 3, and again, I love your support. Remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe. So I'll see you on another video.